Puppies need plenty of rest to grow strong and healthy. But when should they go to bed? Let's find out. Most puppies do best with a consistent bedtime, usually between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. A routine helps them settle down and sleep through the night. Bedtime goal: 8 to 10 p.m. Consistency is key. Young puppies may wake up during the night. Puppies sleep a lot. Depending on their age, they need between 15 to 20 hours of sleep per day to support their development. Newborns: 18 to 20 hours. 8 to 12 weeks: 16 to 18 hours. 3 to 6 months: 14 to 16 hours. Want your puppy to sleep soundly? Follow these simple tips. Set a regular bedtime. Puppies love routine. Last potty break before bed. Fewer nighttime accidents. Create a comfy sleep space. Crate or bed in a quiet area. Calm activities before sleep. No rough play before bed. So, when should a puppy go to bed? 8 to 10 p.m. is a great bedtime, with plenty of naps during the day. Stick to a routine, and your pup will be sleeping like a champ.